Yo, this shit tastes good. Woo! What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Johannes coming out with a brand new video. You might ask yourself, what you doing? I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna make some ice cream. You might say, you know how to make ice cream? Nah, but we about to find out. So today we're gonna try to make some ice cream. You don't really need much. You probably have all this stuff at home. So let's get to it. So the first thing you need is some whole milk. I suggest this one because if you do the 2%, the 1%, you probably have some ice crystal in your ice cream and you don't want that. You want some nice creamy ice cream. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is pour half a cup of milk, whole milk, remember that. So the next thing we're gonna do is add some cream. Nice cream right there. So the next thing we're gonna do is add some vanilla extract, half a teaspoon. So next what you wanna do is grab half a cup of sugar and just pour it in. So the next thing you want to do is now mix everything up. You can grab one of these things, I forgot the name of it, I don't know. Mix it up. You gotta make sure that sugar is dissolved. But you know, I'm gonna be using my Ninja, as y'all seen now. And let's mix it up. So the next thing you want to do is grab your Ziploc, put it inside the bowl, because you don't want no spills or nothing like that. Just make sure you pour it in. Now that you have your mixture inside the Ziploc bag, what you want to do is grab another Ziploc, this time a bigger one. And what you want to do with this is going to be your ice maker machine, you know, the getaway. You want to add some ice. Not too much, but you know, something light like that. So the next thing you want to do is get some rock salt, you know? I suggest rock salt, not the regular salt, but you could use regular salt. This one is just a little bit better. And you just want to add a little bit, not too much, but you know, it's good. This is gonna make the temperature go down, you know? Make it more cold, like the ice cream. So the next step is grab your ice cream mixture and you're gonna be putting it inside your ice cream machine. And then you're gonna grab some more ice and just pour it on top. Now we're gonna grab our ice machine, put the ice cream, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna wrap it in a towel. So now what we're gonna do is shake this for 5 minutes. Alright guys, so 5 minutes has passed. So let's check out the ice cream. So let's check this out. Ooh. Look at that ice cream right there. It's cold. So now we're gonna check our ice cream. As you guys can see, it's a lot firmer than when we put it in. So, gonna put our ice cream, start a cup. You guys can make strawberry ice cream, chocolate ice cream. You just gotta get the syrup. Mix it in with it. So now what we're gonna do is add our toppings. So when you add your toppings, you can mix it a little bit. now we have our ice cream, homemade ice cream. Give it a try. Yo, this shit tastes good. Woo! So that's how you make your homemade ice cream. Till next time.